Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. If you wonder how to download or transfer photos, videos or any data from Android phone to your MacBook, I showed you in this video really quick. First, you need a USB-C cable. The one comes with your phone. And if you have a newer kind of a MacBook, then you need a USB-C adapter like I have a here one. So one side you will put USB cable, then other side USB-C adapter, which you will convert and make compatible to your new MacBook. So once you have it connected, your phone is connected now, and you will see, and this side it shows something, and here your phone start charging. So what you have to do on the top, you have to slide down, and you will see there is a USB charging thing. You have an arrow here, you click here, then you tap one more time, you get multiple options. From the options, it says no data transfer. So you have to use USB file transfer here. We're gonna choose this one. Once you've done this one, now we're gonna move to a MacBook. On your MacBook, we are going to open Safari and search for Android file transfer. Or you can go to my video description and click on the link. It will take you to the website where we are going to download that one of the software. Here you are going to open only the file from android.com, not from anywhere else. Once you click, it will ask you for allow, and that file will start downloading. It will take a couple seconds. Now we are going to open our download folder on MacBook and find the file we have a download, and we are going to double click. It will start installation. It will take a couple seconds and your application was installed. After installation, it will look like that. You can drag this icon and application, or you can start using like that. Simply you double click on this green icon, and that application will open. Here you're gonna face one problem if you don't have a file transfer on your Android phone, as we have done earlier. Once you have a click, it will pop up here. I show you at this time I don't have a file transfer. I have to click on a file transfer and then open again. So here I have chosen already file transfer USB mode on my Android phone, and everything pop up. From here I'm going to just transfer my videos from my Android phone to my MacBook, and you can do whatever you want. You can file transfer either way, from MacBook to your phone or from to your MacBook. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.